Hey, this is how you tighten a spade connection. I always see people take their needle nose pliers and you squeeze it. No, you don't do that. All it takes is a little screwdriver. Take that little screwdriver and there's a little dent on the back of that spade connection, right there in the middle. You take your screwdriver and you just push down a little bit on that. Right there. There's some that are triangular, there's some that are flat like this. I looked for a triangle one, I didn't have one. But that's how you tighten a spade connection. If you squeeze it on the side, most likely you're going to crack it along this side here, and then you have to replace it. But this tightens up a spade connection. Let's see if I can get this on there now. Okay. See, that's nice and tight now. See, it's not coming off. And that's the proper way you tighten a spade connection.